How to edit a sent message on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Open any chat from this list, and once you're in, tap on the text bar at the bottom. Type in a message and then hit the send button. Once the message is delivered, tap and hold the message. A menu like this will appear on your screen. You need to select the option Edit from the menu. The message will now appear in an editable format. You can now edit the message over here. Once you're done, hit the tick mark right here. You can see the pop-up notification which tells you that the edit was successful and will apply to everyone in this chat. Hit the OK button. And as you can see, the message has been edited. So, by following these steps, you can edit a sent message on WhatsApp.